Thunderstorm watch is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 74 degrees with a thunderstorm. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, windy with strong thunderstorms, low 64. Northeast winds at 40 to 60 miles per hour, diminishing to less than 5 miles per hour. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected. And on Sunday, partly cloudy skies, hot, high 93. Winds northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Sunday night, clear, low 66. Expect fair skies Sunday through Tuesday with temperatures in the low 100s on Monday.